Hey guys, just want to give you some hen update or pullet update. Got these 3 new hens here from my buddy Josh. Thank you, Josh. Beautiful Brahma and 2 Easter eggers. They are very beautiful. Had to kick out the resident chickens for a little bit so that these guys can actually eat some food, because they've been cooped up all the way over there for a real long time. Well, pretty much all day. So, I'm sure they're pretty hungry. I just want to give them some time to figure things out. Where the water is, which is over there, where the main feeder is, and give them some peaceful time to kind of hang out until the other ones come. That way they're not stressed out. Gotta give them some names. What would y'all name them? Cheers.